How to fix Instagram loading slow. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, what you can do is go to the Play Store application on your device and search for in the Instagram application over here. So this is the process in order to understand if your app needs any sort of updates. So as you can see, I don't have the option of updates that's available in the app. So it means that my app is updated to its latest version on the device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram. Then it will lead me to the app info option. So just tap on app info and it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data, then clear cache, and then tap on OK. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for this application. After that, go back and try to load Instagram and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.